you can see, we have a lot to go through, so let's review. So since there's a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shoes, and then we'll move on to the other items. Starting off, we have this brand, and here we have this. Let's take a look. Beautiful quality slides. That's what they look like in the back. I actually did try them on and they fit true to size. And it does come with everything else. Moving on, we have this, and I'm so sad because they did not fit me. But that doesn't stop them from being really great shoes. There you go. You have the logo right there and the logo in the back as well. I will say they got a little smell to them, but it will go away. And then it also comes with a little dust bag. Next, we have another one from this brand, and they're also high heels, obviously, and it's just some cute black heels. I believe these are like 8 inches, and it comes like this, but you will just tie it this way. Go in the back and also right there in the front. Next, we have another one, and this one did not come with the box, but it's okay. And this is what they look like. It's like a denim material-ish on top, and then just the regular strap right here. And yeah, as you can tell, I did like walk around with them just to make sure they were fit, and they do fit. Next, we have this brand, and if you've seen my videos, you know I'm obsessed with these. I had to go and get another one. So this is what she looks like right there, and the logo in the back as well. Also true to size and doesn't smell weird or nothing, so go get these. Next, we have this beautiful brand, and it's my first one from this brand, and it came with everything that you could imagine. Get the box, and inside has another box, and that's what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful quality. And it's like, I'm actually so impressed. I want to show you guys how beautiful it looks. Great quality. You will get all the documents that you need for it, along with the card, a user manual and everything else, and this as well. Next, the bags. So first off, we have this brand, and I already opened her the other day because I needed to see what she looked like, and I'm obsessed. I've been seeing this one, and I literally been dying to get my hands on it, and when I finally found one that I thought it was good enough, I got it, and she's here, and I'm so excited. This is what she looks like on the inside. There's the brand right on the side. This one is just the zipper. Quality is fantastic, 10 out of 10, and I cannot wait to use her. And we have this brand, and I want to show it to you guys. It does come with a little dust bag too, and it's a beautiful Caviar. I will say my only complaint is the hardware. It's a little more on the yellow side for me, but I still think she's a great quality, and she's less expensive as other ones. But you do have everything. It has the little zipper right here. It has the little flap, the details. It has one pocket right there, and then the pocket inside, the logo right there too. Next, we have this brand, and I can't wait to show it to you guys because I haven't seen this bag anywhere. Look at this bag. So it locks with this, and you just push this up to release the lock, and this is what she looks like. Inside is like a little suede material, and you have the tag right there with the little tag. I can't wait to use this bag. Like this, for an everyday bag, you can fit so much in here, and I need a big bag because I carry a lot of things. So this is a great one. I'm very happy. Next, we have this bag, and look at her, you guys. She's so pretty. I'm so excited to use her too. She's so, like, you can fit so much, and you guys know how much I love large bags. This is what she looks like on the inside. It's so spacious. The only problem is the strap is a little bent right here, but it's still like a great find. She also comes with this little lock and the key that you can use to lock the zippers. Next we have this brand, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys because I've been searching for these two bags for a long time, but I can never find one that I actually really liked to make the purchase. So first we have this one. Are you actually kidding me? And it came with the Hello Kitty charm. My only complaint with this one is that she didn't come stuffed, so I'll have to stuff her to get this little dents out. But you have the logo right there, and there's the logo on the inside as well. And it's also so cute. Next we have the larger one, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. She also came with the charms. Look at her. This is the cutest thing ever. Like, she literally came with these little charms. So cute. The bag is massive. You can fit so much. There's the logo right there and right there. Also get the little tag right here. Since we're on the same brand, look at this shirt, guys. She is a little wrinkly, but that's okay. We can get the wrinkles out. And it comes with the tag. And she's so cute. The details, there's the tag right there. Last but not least, we have a Stanley. Look at her, guys. She's so stunning, and it actually keeps your water cold. He also came with these two. That's it for the haul. Everything is linked to my bio, so go shop.